Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we share the latest upgrades for the all-new PTZ WizSense series. Today, we'll cover two main pillars of enhancements, software and hardware. To start, the entire WizSense series has been updated with the inclusion of AI. Let's focus on two game-changing functions, Auto Patrol and Construction Detection. Auto Patrol is like having a virtual patrol guard. When triggered by human or vehicle activity, the PTZ cameras automatically patrol key set points, mimicking the actions of security personnel. The Auto Patrol function offers intelligent strategies such as rapid localization and full coverage. The rapid localization strategy involves designating specific locations as key points for the camera to patrol when triggered. This helps security personnel quickly identify and respond to potential incidents, improving overall security effectiveness. The full coverage method involves using one main monitoring point and 5 preset points in different directions to ensure complete surveillance without blind spots. This allows the camera to monitor the entire scene from multiple angles, providing a complete 360-degree view of the area. So whether it's rapid localization in open outdoor spaces or achieving full 360-degree coverage, Auto Patrol has you covered. Next, let's talk safety. Construction sites require careful attention, and Dahua's construction detection feature ensures this by monitoring personnel in real time to confirm they are wearing proper safety gear, detecting lone worker situations, and identifying extended off-duty periods. It's worth mentioning the difference between IPC and PTZ. Typically, IPC is placed at the entrance or exit to detect incoming and outgoing personnel, while PTZ can realize multi-scene patrol inside the construction site, promoting personnel safety during the construction process. The SD6C3 cameras prioritize safety with built-in speakers, taking proactive measures beyond just surveillance. Now, let's shed some light on the hardware upgrades. Literally. Dahua's PTZ cameras, specifically the SD29 and the SD1A series, now have improved IR illuminators that can effectively capture images in low light conditions. These devices automatically activate their powerful IR lights, allowing them to see up to 50 meters and 20 meters respectively. These upgrades make it effortless to capture important details, even on the darkest nights. Overall, Dahua is constantly improving security solutions by combining advanced technology with practical uses. Our enhanced WizSense PTZ series stands out with its AI integration and hardware upgrades. For more information about our products, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a smarter society and better living.